Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to know about Windows Server booting process. As requested by a few users, we are making this video lecture for you. Let's begin. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. Let's make. For this, I'm trying to getting an information using ChatGPT. So let's see. Explain booting process of Windows Server. So a step-by-step guideline I just trying to asking ChatGPT to know, and we would like to discuss about this few points. And also if you are want to learn many things by asking ChatGPT, yes, you will get a great information in particular area. So let's see the Windows Server. And why I am doing this video lecture means it's a very important for who are applying for Windows Server basic administration. Similarly, who are trying to applying and getting and know how the step-by-step process is involved in Windows Server booting scenario. So let's see here, booting process Windows Server, several steps. Yes, when we are going to switching on the computer system like a server operating system or server machine, the steps is essential for interview to explain. And also who are seeking in a position, they should understand about two, like a step by step, then only they can resolve their own issues. Let's see power on self test. It's nothing but post. The posting is a performing like a firm performance post check Windows hardware components, ensuring all the components are which are connected to the Windows machine which are properly functioning or not. If any you will be get an error message over itself. And the BIOS initialization, it's in a basic input output device systems and chip motherboard and several post complete. The BIOS initialization of the hardware components will be initiated here. Bootloader. Yes, bootloader, small program that loads into the operating system into the memory. In case of Windows Server bootloader, typically Windows like a bootloader manager responsible for to loading Windows Server operating system files to initiate Windows Server kernel loading. So once the bootloader is has found in the operating system and loads the server kernel and the components, core components of the operating system will be initialized to start the OS. It's nothing but operating system. And a system registry loading. Yes, Windows Server registry is a central database of the store the configuration information of the operating system and applications. During the boot process, the system registry load into the memory and check the consistency of the apps as well as the services. And user mode initialization. Once the system registry has loaded, the user mode initializing process begins with the process of the start the servers applications that are required to provide the user interaction with the operating system. Log on. So the finally log on screen displays the user can log on to the server, start the operating system. See, overall the booting process Windows Server is a complex series of the step-by-step process which are involving with the hardware and the operating system and applications and users, what the user is mapped and what the functionality he is required to start the operating system. If you feel this video lecture is helping you at any cost of information booting steps, yes, if you are asking any question what is the booting process steps, you can simply say that post, BIOS, bootloader and Windows kernel loading and system registry loading and user module and login. So if they are asking any one of the explanation, then you have to probe all this answer properly. If you feel yes this video lecture you learned something means, please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.